prior to the disappearance, prior to the Tirobhav Utsav of Bhaktisiddhanta in February 1959, Srila Prabhupada, he was feeling intense separation from his guru. Of course, he understood as any genuine disciple understands, that the Guru Vani, the instructions of the spiritual master, are more important than Vapu, physical presence. And that the spiritual master, the presence, we say the Vapu, you can say the Vapu is in the Vani. And the Vani is in the Vapu. When the form is here, the Vani is emanating from that form. And we're perceiving the instructions and getting guidance and correction and knowledge and philosophy and ultimately bhava and prem from the sacred holy words of the spiritual master. But in his absence, then in his instructions, he is personally present. So in separation from Guru, then Guru is there in his Vapu is in his Vani. Very interesting point. Then in the instructions, in the teachings, in the words and the teachings, instructions of the spiritual master, his form is there. In one purport in 4th canto, Prabhupada says the instructions of the spiritual master is the form direction of the supersoul. The instructions of the spiritual master are the form direction of the supersoul. So the supersoul gives directions or gives shape or tangible guidance to a sincere sadhaka or spiritualist or disciple, and by appearing as a spiritual master and instructing that disciple. The instructions of the spiritual master are the form direction of the supersoul. So what is it? What direction? What is the instructions and teachings and direction of the supersoul? Which way does the supersoul want us to go? Which way does he? How does he want us to progress and come quickly back to him, back home, back to Godhead? The particularities and the specific instructions of the supersoul are perceived and understood, are received, perceived and understood by hearing from the spiritual master. The spiritual master is the external representative of Chaitya Guru, of the Paramatma supersoul. The Prabhupada understood that Guru is Guru Vapu, Shri Guru Vapu is present within his Vani. And that way, Prabhupada was always with his Guru.